Have you ever installed a RAR file? You probably don't even know what it is, but here on my desktop, I have a file with the extension .rar. You can right click on it, go to properties, and you can see right here, it's a RAR file. Some people might be asking like, what is this? I think I just downloaded our archived folder, but I can't open it. We all know File Explorer. File Explorer opens multiple file extensions, and I think shortly it's also going to support .rar files. But until they have solved this with the update, we're going to install WinRAR. Go to Google, type RAR lab, and go to this website. After this, there's a lot of text in this website. What we're going to do is do Control and F, and then we're going to type English. There you go. Now what we want to do is install this version, because a beta is still for people that want to test the program at its earliest stages. But we're going to download English 64-bit, just like this. After this, it's going to ask where you want to install it. We're going to choose the downloads folder, just like this. It's going to be downloads folder right here. We're going to the downloads folder, or you can double click on the exe file right here. After this, a pop-up is going to appear with, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We're going to say yes. After this, a setup window is going to pop up. We need to install this program just like that, very easily. And now we are going to click on OK and then done. After this, a window is going to pop up of where the program is installed, but we are going to close it. Close the browser too. And now we're going back to the file. If you're lucky, you can see it already changed. If it did not, right click on the file, go to open with, and then go to WinRAR. If you can't find WinRAR in this window, go to choose another app. Choose an app on your PC. After this, go to the folder program files. You can find this on your C drive, so on your Windows drive. Then go scroll down, go to program files. After this, scroll down, and then at the bottom, you will find WinRAR. If you can't find it, click once at any folder, then click on W once, and then you will find a whole list with folders starting with W. But we're going to select WinRAR. Then we're going to select this, the application. You can double click on it, and now it's going to open with WinRAR. So we want .rar files always to be opened with WinRAR. Until of course they release the Windows update, but I don't know when that's going to happen, because I'm already hearing rumors of a Windows 12. Exit this window, and you only see it once, but you can close it away. There you go. And now I see my files. If you click on this, you'll go a directory back. So this is my desktop. And if you double click on it again, you'll go into it. What you can do is you can click on extract to, and then you can extract the files to a directory. I'm not going to explain it in this video. What you want to know is if you right click on this file, you will have a new window called WinRAR. If you don't see this, go to show more options or start with shift right click on the application. And we see this. We're going to WinRAR. We're going to extract the files to this. This will make a folder called this with the files in it. So now a folder is created, and inside it there is a web P file, and that can be opened with your browser, but that doesn't matter. I hope you learned something in this short video, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.